Hey guys, so Huobi is releasing Magic Miner, where you can earn cryptos like Bitcoin, Doge, Shiba and ADA by completing daily tasks. The event is accessible via the Huobi app main page or through a banner or an icon. On completion of various tasks, you'll be rewarded by being able to mine a variety of cryptocurrencies. Tasks include spot trading, inviting a friend, trading on the futures market and more. And by using Point Card, you'll be able to reduce the cost of your trading fees. Once you get the chance to mine, you can start mining for a variety of rewards. Let me finish by saying good luck to everyone joining this exciting event.